Alright, here we go. This is an unboxing of Zackees turn signal gloves. Should've got a knife. But this is all I got. This is the box. Zackees, complete recycle. Let's open it. I'm struggling with this. Okay. Good. Machine washable, ultra bright LEDs, long battery life, genuine leather. Alright, I got the long sleeve version, the winter version. Here are the gloves. And I think this is the charger for the batteries. So let's start with this. This is the charger. What we got is the cable, instructions. Now to the gloves. This is a size large. Let's see if this fits me. As you can see, you touch these two together, it lights up. Yeah, this. That's pretty cool. Let's see how the other one works. Now let's see if they fit. This is what my hand looks like. Now let's see, this is a size large. Let's see if it fits. And they fit perfect. Riding like this. And that is the unboxing of the Zackees long sleeve LED turn signal gloves. Thanks for watching.